guess the sound in only 3 seconds. Let's go! Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a dog! Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a cat! Listen carefully. It's a cow! It's a sheep. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a horse. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a pig. What animal is it? It's a duck. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a chicken. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a lion. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's an elephant. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a monkey. Listen carefully. What animal is it? It's a frog.
Well done, everyone. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see you again for more learning fun. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Sing along. Sing and Learn Kids Club.